Okay ป่ะครับ you right here
ใจนี้ยังคงเป็นของเธอไม่เคยมีวันห่างไกลรักเอ่ยเมื่อรักแท้เกิดในใจ
I think that's really the main reason why we submitted the amendment back a couple of years ago, so that the institution cannot be used as political weapons to destroy opponents. And there's various reasons that happened in the past that they used the Revere institution, such as the monarchy, down to the political level, which is something that is not good for any institution. So that's the reason why we did it.
ความรักแท้ก็เหมือนกันมันไม่เคยหายไป
If you look at the scope of the law, if you look at